I feel comfortable eating them because they're from my garden. Hungarian wax pepper. Picked at this color. Picked at this color. It's not that spicy. It's spicy enough, especially if you're eating the seeds, but it's not too crazy. If you take out the seeds, it's a little bit tolerable. I mean, it's a lot tolerable. Now we're gonna go to the jalapeno pepper. That one definitely tastes. That one definitely tastes fresh. It's not my go-to. I don't just eat them fresh like that. I usually put them in the sauce or something. Now we have a ripe cayenne pepper. That one's a little bit more of a rich flavor. I don't feel that one is, but I definitely don't want to keep eating the seeds. I mean, it's not too crazy. I mean, I got some ghost peppers going right here. I'm probably going to do that on camera too, but it wasn't too crazy. It wasn't too crazy. All right, I need some water.